back to my channel. So in today's video I have this makeup tutorial for you guys. I feel like I haven't done a makeup tutorial in so long, but I finally sat down and filmed. I have like a mess here, and this makeup tutorial was actually inspired by our trip to Key West. Like on our way back, we like stopped to look at the sunset and I took some amazing pictures. I actually put one up with this nail art, and it also inspired this nail art as well. So I don't know, my husband thinks this looks more like candy corn than a sunset. To me, it's a sunset. And yeah, I have a sunset on my eyes as well, or at least I tried to do a sunset. Anyways, I'm just talking too much. If you want to see how to get this look, then just keep on watching. I'm gonna take this shade right here. This is gonna be my transition shade, my first shade, to help blend everything nicely. And I'm just gonna place this right in the crease, bring it up a little bit above the crease. Next, I'm gonna take this shade right here. So with this shade, what I'm doing is I'm placing it right above the brow bone, and I'm just blending out the first shade with this one. So now I'm just going to intensify the first shade a little bit more, mainly focusing it in the outer corner and then dragging it into the crease. I'm actually going to bring that first shade into the inner corner. So I'm going to take this red right here, and I'm gonna use this shade to intensify the outer corner a little bit more, and I'm also gonna drag it into the crease. So now I'm gonna go back into this shade and blend out the edges right here. I'm gonna use this NYX Primal Colors in the shade Hot Yellow. Place it here. Take this lip pencil brush from Real Techniques, and I'm gonna take my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light Medium Honey. I'm going to cut like half of the crease right here and then bring it down like this. I'm just gonna remove any concealer left on it and then just try and blend out the edges. For this part of the lid, I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. So now I'm going to take this shade right here, and I'm going to place it like right here, kind of to give it that dimension that we did on the crease on the eye. For the inner corner, I'm going to be mixing this shade right here with this shade right here. And I'm just going to place it right in here. So for the brow bone, I'm just going to take this shade and highlight it. On the lower lash line, I'm going to take this shade right here. Now we're going to move on to the face, and I'm going to be using the Anastasia Contour Kit. I'm going to be using this shade right here. So for blush, I'm going to take this shade right here, tap it off. I'm going to be using this shade right here as a highlight, and this is the shade Dulce. And I'm just going to put it right here. Wow. This is the first time I've ever used this palette, and it is amazing. Wow, this highlight is on point. For lips, I'm going to go with something more neutral, and I'm going to be using this Stay Matte Liquid Lip Color from Rimmel London in the shade Mocha. And over that, I'm going to be using the Pixie and Chloe Morello Lip Gloss, and this is in the shade Cake. Now for setting spray, I'm going to be using the Skindinavia Makeup Finishing Spray. That's it. Here you guys have it. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed yet. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.